5-1. Number 5 is a heretic, and number 1 is investigator. So you and me, we are heretic investigators. The 5th line has a projection field, so that means that people will project onto you almost all the time, and either you're gonna be the savior or the villain of everyone else's story. And if you have a 5th line anywhere in your profile, that means that probably your whole life nobody has been able to see the real you. All they see is like a distortion through their own lens. And you can use this for your own advantage, or it can tear you down, like you just trying to fulfill everyone's expectations. And a 5th line is very triggering. Like, I got people that come on this live and listen to one sentence and they get triggered, and the 5th line is like, people look at you, they find one thing that they don't like, and then they over-exaggerate it so much until it like eats up your entire character, and then they judge you upon this one little thing. And that one little thing can be positive or it can be negative. It can be like, oh, I create lines, you eat on your lives, I'm never coming back on your lives, you are whatever. Or I don't know, I got people, oh, why are you swearing, or stuff like that. And then it's like, if I have a 5th line on me, somebody's gonna see that as my entire identity, and it's like, fuck this, I'm out of this live. And on the other side, it can be like, oh my god, this guy can change my whole life. And I'm like, yes, I can change your life, but you gotta do it. It's like, yes, you can project onto me that I can help you, because I can help you through many of the things that I do. I can help people, but I can only guide you so you do it. But if people at the same time, if you project onto me, oh my god, this guy's gonna save my life. No. I can give you great guidance, but in the end, if you project that I'm gonna carry you into a new life, that's not gonna happen. So you gotta gauge it. A 5th line has projections on itself. So it's also called a heretic. And heretics are people that read the Bible and say this is wrong, this is wrong, this is wrong, this is wrong. Heretics are people that go into politics and say this guy is corrupt, this guy is lying, that's not good, that's not good. The heretics are people like conspiracy theorists, people that spread misinformation, all this. Those are people that work in the police force that say that guy's a corrupt cop, that guy's a corrupt cop, that guy's a corrupt cop. And maybe also in the pharmaceutical business, in the medical business, that guy takes bribes, that guy over there. So heretics are people that in the old days were witches, and people like Jesus was a heretic 100%. He came with a new way of being, and everyone got triggered, and he got fucking nailed to the cross. So you are always to blame, and you're never to blame. It's always the person. So if you're a 5th line ever, it's never about you. It's always people project on other people to resolve their own bullshit, so they don't have to take responsibility for their own stuff. And if you're a 5th line, you get double. You get even more. I walk down the street, I'm as happy as a little child. I'm going to buy my watermelon, and people walk around and look at me like this, like who is, like almost like they want to throw up. And I'm like, what? Like, do I have 3 arms? Why are you disgusted looking at me? And it took me, after I got into human design, to realize, oh, that's the projection field. That's because I'm a 5, and they see that, they see themselves. They actually want to throw up because their life sucks, and I have nothing to do with it. So that's the 5th line. You're here to call out bullshit. You're a walking trigger, and you have a 50-50 percentage of people in your life. 50% of people are gonna love you, and 50% of people are gonna hate you. They won't stand you. There's no in between. There's no in between. People come on my live, they either fucking smash the phone after 5 minutes, or they stay and they become a part of this community. There's no in between. So that's the fifth line. I'm a 5-1 as well. And the number 1 is investigator. And investigator means that you can go deep into topics. You can research like no one else. That's why I have all this knowledge, because I read like a sponge, I absorb, I research, I study things. That's an investigator. So heretic investigator. And also 5-1 is one of the 4 profiles which are transpersonal. So 5-1, 5-2, 6-2 and 6-3 are 4 of the 12 profiles, and these 4 are transpersonal and all the other ones are personal. And if you're a 5-1, 5-2, 6-2 or 6-3, you are here to fulfill your purpose through other people, not just yourself. So you and me, we are that. Anyone that's 6-2, 6-3, 5-1, 5-2, you're not here to do things. You're not here to fulfill your life's purpose just by doing things for yourself. It has to be with others. And all the other profiles can give a almost give a fuck about everyone else. I mean, not be that selfish in a way, but their life course will not alter community and serving. Yeah, and it's also like, if you have one of these types, your life trajectory can be derailed and changed based on someone you meet. And then you meet someone else, and then you meet someone else, and then you meet someone else. And people that are personal, they have their own thing, and they meet somebody and they go like this, oh, nice to see you here, and they continue going. And they meet someone else, oh, good to see you, you want to come with me? No? Okay, I'm gonna keep going. We're not like that. If you're transpersonal, it's like, oh, what you got there? Let's go with you a little bit. Then what you got there? Let's go with you a little bit. Wherever we are needed, in a sense. I like that you are comfortable to eat and swear. It's why you seem more authentic. Like, what are we here to do than to be authentic? To be intuitive, to be connected with ourselves, and like being human. My daughter is also 5'1". All these are true for her. Your joy and passion is infectious. There would be no joy and passion if I had no one here to share it with. So it's our joy, it's our passion. And like you say, it's infectious. Yeah, you infect me and I infect you, and it's a give and take, it's a flow. If I had no audience, like if a wild I create lines talks bullshit in the forest and there's nobody there to listen to him, did he even do it?